Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon crashing or not launching. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Steam library and find Meccha Chameleon in your games list. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the General tab, locate the Launch Options section. Click the box and type -DX11. After entering the launch option, close the Properties window. Steam saves the change automatically. Now launch Meccha Chameleon again. The game will start using DirectX 11, which can resolve startup issues, crashes, and compatibility problems on some systems. If the game launches successfully, you can continue playing with this launch option enabled. If the problem still persists, remove the launch option and try other troubleshooting steps such as verifying the game files or updating your graphics driver. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Meccha Chameleon, crashing, or not launching. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.